try on haul. I have not done one in like, I think maybe like 5 months or so, like 5 or 6 months, give or take. So I again recently placed an order with Boohoo, and I got quite a few things. I actually got more than I thought I did, but whatever. So in this video, we're just gonna try everything on, make sure, you know, it looks good and fits right and all that good stuff. So yeah, just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another upload. All right, come on, let's get into it. Okay, so first up we have this meaty skirt. It's like a wet look meaty skirt. I believe I got this, in a size 8. This top did not come with it. I actually had anticipated on starting out with the workout outfit that I got, and this top came with a pair of matching leggings. But unfortunately, when I put the leggings on, they had a hole in them on the side. So this set and the leggings had to go back. So I just kept the top on, so I didn't really have to find another top to put on. And yeah, so this meaty skirt though, it came in a set of 2. It came with also just this regular like black, this regular black meaty skirt. So yeah, I mean, I like them. You know, booty looks really nice. You know, everything looks good. So I really like the way it fits. And like I said, it's a meaty, so it comes like right below my knee. So yeah. Okay, next we have this off the shoulder, I guess you could call this like a bandage bodycon meaty dress. So again, it's a meaty, so it comes below the knee. And this baby fits, honey. Yes. So I really like the color. I like the fit. It's like, I guess you could consider this like a regular polyester blend dress. I don't know. I just wear out on the town or on a date or whatever. I really like the top, off the shoulders, and so like it's like when it's not on it kind of bunches, you know, like gathers at the top, so it makes sure that it'll always be off the shoulder. And I also got this in a size 8, but I'll make sure that I put the links and sizes and everything in the description box below, so all you gotta do is click and go right to it. So yeah, again, I really like this dress. I really like the length. I'm a meaty dress type of person. I did get like one meaty dress and I was just like, oh my gosh, but it was really cute. You'll see. So yeah. All right, let's try the next outfit. Okay, so the next thing we have is this, I guess, I don't know, I guess like a pleather rose colored dress, blush colored dress. I got this in a size 8. It's too big at the top though, unfortunately. My boobies don't fill this out. But other than that, I really love this dress. Like the fit of it, the length, of course, again, it's a meaty, as you can see. But it comes with the belt, and this part you can zip and unzip if you want to show more, show less. My boobies are not staying in here. Okay. Woo. So, but yeah, I really do I like the fit. Like I said, the material is like a faux leather kind of material. I was scared that it wasn't gonna fit, but it does have like a teeny bit of stretch to it. But yeah, so that's this. Oh, I love it. I guess when I wear it, I'll probably just like end up putting like a strapless bra or something on with it to try to like see if I can keep it up, or I might see if I can get it taken in, like go to the seamstress and see if I can get it taken in, because I really like the dress, and I know a 6 is not going to fit down here, and but it will fit me perfectly up here, but it'll be way too small down here. So it's the downfall of having, you know, not so big of boobies and curves. But yeah, it's too big. All right, let's try the next outfit. Oh my gosh, when I tell y'all I love this dress, listen. So this is a blazer style dress. The reason I say it's a style dress is because it doesn't actually button right here. I thought it did, but then when I went to put it on, you actually just step into it. So it's a blazer style dress. It comes with the belt and everything. The only thing, I think the only thing that I could really say is that it kind of like gathers right here. Let me show you. If I just move the belt a little, like you see that right there? I don't know why that does that. I'm not real sure why that really does that. I guess it's just like, because you can kind of stick your hand down like in between the fabric right there. So I guess it's just the way that it was sewn. But you can easily camouflage that with the belt. So I'm not complaining. And this thing has a lot of stretch to it, like a lot. Like it kind of feels like legging material almost, like with the stretch, like spandex, but it's still cotton, but or polyester or whatever. But when I tell you I cannot wait to step out in this baby, listen, Linda. The issue with like when I try on dresses, I always like try them on standing on my tippy toes. So because I have to mimic, like I have on heels, so you just bear with me. So if you see me go from here to here, it's because I lost my balance and then I needed to get it back together. But I love this dress. I know me and white normally, we don't really click, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to keep this clean as long as possible. And I also am not really a big fan of like dresses that are above the knee or skirts and stuff that are above the knee. So I only wear them like every now and again, like very few and far between. I'm like a meaty or maxi type of person. I could stand here in my women's dress all day, but let me not. Let me try the next outfit. Okay, next up we got this sweater dress. So I got this sweater dress basically because I have like some brown cognac boots. I really wanted the cream one, but I think the cream one was sold out in my size, so you know. But I do like this color. It's like this, what, I guess like a regular brown tan color. I like the sleeves. They gather like right here, so it's kind of like bubble sleeve-ish. But yeah, it's just a regular old, regular sweater dress. I mean, it's really not much going on to it, not too fancy. You can dress it up or down, you know, heels, sneakers. So like when I got it, I envisioned a thigh-high boot, my cognac color thigh-high boot. So when y'all see it, you'll know why. Just saying. Next up, we have this, I guess, jade emerald green meaty dress. It is, so with this, it's kind of, it has like a sheer illusion, but it's obviously not sheer at the bottom. Right here actually is sheer, but down at the bottom is not. So it comes with like a nudish color inset, and the straps are adjustable. So you can, if you don't have tickle bitties, you know, you can adjust it. I didn't readjust it. At this time it kind of fit kind of the way I wanted to. So yeah, I like this dress. I love this color. I don't think I have any other dresses currently in my closet that's this color. I did get another dress similar to this color, which you'll see next. But yeah, I like this dress. I like the fit. I wasn't too sure about the little fringe thingies right here, but I was like, alright, whatever. So it's not bad. It's cute. It fits. Definitely date night, girls' night out, brunch, you know. Basically, whatever. If you want to go grocery shopping and then snag you somebody, you can do that too. I'm just saying. Alright, let's show the next outfit. Hey, next outfit. I'm showing some thigh. Y'all know I love showing a good thigh. So we have this emerald green maxi dress. It's like that, it's just that soft stretchy material. Like it's nothing special, it's just like super duper uber stretchy. When I was trying it on, I was kind of like, how are these hips supposed to fit in here? Because it looked like small, but it stretches, again, size 8. So yeah, but little thigh action. Only thing is that I have to kind of keep readjusting it. That's the only thing. But I love the ruching in the middle, that's for sure. So if you got a little pooch like I do, ruching is like your best friend. I'm telling you, you can hide all of that. So yeah, I like the dress. You know, I love the thigh. So it's very high cut. We're almost, you know, one little slip of the wind and whoo, you know, so definitely be careful. If you feel like, you know, just a little bit too much thigh, you could always go a size up. And I mean, it'll be bigger, but you know, you could probably cover it up some more, or, you know, just take a little safety pin and pin it on the inside and you should be good. This is still, you know, an ample amount of thigh showing. You're not almost to the wind, but yeah, love this dress. It's simple, but it's just like, so this is almost giving me Poison Ivy mixed with Jessica Rabbit vibes, like kinda. So, whew, we're down to 2 more dresses, and those 2 are almost the same color too, but they are the same material. But we're down to the last few dresses, so let's go ahead and see what we got next. All right, next we have this meaty velvet dress, off the shoulder, wine color dress. Love it, love the fit. Like it literally is off the shoulder. Like it will not go up on your shoulders whatsoever. So you don't have to worry about constantly pulling it down or readjusting or anything. Like this dress is bomb, the fit is bomb. Again, it stretches, so it's like, you know, that velvet-like material, but I really do like it a whole lot. This is, you know, nice, elegant night out. with your bae or whatever, you know, bae, side piece, whatever. No judgment here. But I really do love it. I love everything about it, the material, the fit, everything. What I appreciate is that, you know, it's not like too big at the top like the other dress was, so really truly appreciate that. And plus the sleeves on the side kind of help it so fit better, so yeah, that's definitely a good thing. All right, let's try on the last dress so we can meet some. Last dress, similar style to the green dress, except it is not like all the way down to my ankles. It's just a meaty length. So here we have this velvet, berry colored meaty dress, showing some thigh yet again with the ruching in the middle. You know, I love that. So yeah, like it's similar in style to the green dress, similar in color to the dress that I just had on. I actually, when I placed my order, I didn't realize that I had gotten like 2 green dresses and 2 berry dresses. I was really just like clicking, oh, that's cute, that's cute, that's cute, that's cute. So I did order this myself. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, but I did order it myself. So I do like this dress. Again, with the thigh. This time we're not really like almost to the wind because this has like, right, so it crosses over, so it kind of gives you a little bit more coverage, you know, underneath there. So yeah, I really like it. I'm in love. The only other thing that I wish is that like it had adjustable straps so that way I could pull it up more at the top because it's a little bit too big at the top. But again, had I gotten a 6, it would be too small, but a 6 will fit me perfectly at the top. So what I'll probably do with this dress as well is maybe get it taken in or see if I have like some kind of bra or something that might help it to fit a little bit better. But yeah, so that's it. Let me put on my regular clothes and give you guys my final thoughts. Be right back. All right, so back with my final thoughts. I loved everything that I was able to actually try on. Again, I wasn't able to try on the entire workout outfit because the pants came with a hole in them in the side. So I'm going to send that set back. I'm not sure if I'm going to reorder that same set or if I'll just order something else. Gosh. Or if I'll order something else from their fit line. But like I said, everything else I purchased, I loved. Gotta make a few alterations to a couple of the dresses, but you know, that's really not that big of a deal. Other than that, everything else I loved. I love the fit, love everything. So yeah, the links to the items that I purchased will be in the description box below along with my sizing. So that's it. I'm starving, so I'm about to eat because my food has been sitting here waiting on me to dive into it, but I chose you guys over eating. So I'm about to eat. You guys sit here, watch the next video. Not sure what time I'm gonna put it on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, and make sure to subscribe. All right, bye. Peace.